Sammy, 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 just check out what I've got.
Well, let's see. Show me. I love new things.
You'll definitely appreciate this amazingly beautiful hoodie.
Huh? Sue, are you kidding me? You already have hoodies, like a bunch of them, look!
Oh, well, this one matches my jeans perfectly.
Uh-huh, yeah. And this one reminds you of the summer sun, huh? Holy cannoli!
Oh, sure, why not? Actually, I already figured out why I need this one. It'll reflect everything you and I love. Let's just improve it.
If you say so, leave me alone already!
Hi guys, just check out what I have here.
Looks like Moss enjoyed this piece of fabric.
Oh, Sammy, this is cross-stitch canvas. It's supposed to be with holes. We're gonna use it to customize my new hoodie in a punch needle technique.
Huh? I thought it's supposed to be for making carpets. So you want to wear a rug or something?
Of course not. Oh, how only you came up with this. We'll simply embroider a fleecy pattern that feels like a rug.
Oh, awesome! Quick, give us a thumbs up, those who like things that are pleasant to the touch. Now move, Susie. I'll help you with the sketch. We both love to draw, and this should definitely be reflected right here.
We both love something else, or rather, someone else.
Huh? Hey, are you writing my name?
And this is almost the most important thing in our sketch.
Wow, I'm so pleased!
Guys, remember that you can portray anything you want, whether it's your favorite sweets, cartoon characters, or just funny doodles. Well, here's what we've got. I guess this will be enough for a hoodie. Ouch! Sammy, what are you doing?
Well, it's not very clear what's where when it's not colored.
I won't argue with that, but first of all, we need to fix the canvas in the embroidery hoop. Let's start working at this spot. Don't forget to make our working area firm enough. Guys, you can ask an adult to help you at this stage. And then they can also fix the canvas tightly in the hoop for you, like this.
Yeah, we see that, Sue. What's next?
The most interesting part. Let's take a special set of tools. This is the needle. And with the help of such a special wire, we'll thread yarn into it. And then put everything into the main part of the tool. This way you can adjust the height of the needle. The size of the loops will depend on this.
Oh, it'll be a pleasure to pierce such an elastic canvas. Wait a minute. This is to get the hang of it.
Why, thank you.
You're welcome.
We'll thread the yarn into a tricky tool like this. Don't hesitate to ask for help here. And now, I'll show you the embroidery process. We'll work from the back side of the canvas. Just pierce and hop, and carefully pull out. And one more time, hop. It's very important to leave some slack on the yarn, otherwise this'll happen.
Shiver me cheddar, Sue! What did you do?
That was just the demonstration, Sammy. Now we're starting to work for real.
Oh, hail Tibidaba, woohoo! Interesting. What is she looking for back there?
Ah, there you are, little thing.
Sue, did you forget during the break that we're working with another needle today?
Don't worry, Sammy. I just want to make the outlines with this one. I think this way it'll be easier and faster. Just look out for your fingers, guys.
We perfectly know how to make regular stitches, so give me that. Let's skip to the result. Voila!
Oh, great job, Sammy. Thank you. Now we can paint over this outline with pink yarn. I've made the needle shorter this time because we don't need 2 long loops. Guys, look how easy the needle goes in and comes out. Hop. Let's see what we have from this side. All our loops are exactly half a centimeter long. The openings in the canvas perfectly help navigate the size. And 1, and 2.
1008. 1009. Oh.
This was the last one. You can breathe out. Let's see. And thus the first element of our sketch is completed.
Hey, it's not done yet. Do you think I'm so flat? Come on, move. And that's it. What do you think?
Oh wow, the white color really works wonders.
I always knew that. Wow, this heart looks like I'm encouraging everyone to subscribe to our channel.
Uh-huh. Or you run away from this guy and scream, "Save me, help me, he'll eat me."
Well, aren't you a prankster, Susan? That orange fella's not scary at all. He's even cute. He looks like a creature that will live on a rainbow.
On the one like this?
No, I will live on this rainbow.
Okay, what's next? Guys, can you help me choose? How about this, Nutella jar?
Oh, Nutella, my precious. Oh, looks like I'm hungry.
Hey, leave me some.
Work faster and maybe you'll get some. Sue, I'm sorry, but I couldn't wait any longer and I ate everything.
Oh, Sammy, it's good that I hid one Nutella jar.
What? A whole jar?
You're incorrigible. By the way, guys, does this character look familiar to you? Well then, how about now?
Hey, that's Gary from SpongeBob Animated Series. We've just binge-watched them.
And you're wearing square pants like SpongeBob does, aren't you?
Huh? What are you talking about? Sometimes I don't understand you at all, Susan.
That's right, you look more like a Patrick with all your clumsiness. And it's done! Well guys, let's see what the front side of our embroidery looks like. Wow! How bright this is! And so soft to the touch!
Why don't we admire it later, Susan? We still have a lot to do! Ow! I fell again. It's slippery here!
We have a lot to do? I didn't see you embroidering anything today.
Well, that's because I'm in charge! It's both very responsible and exhausting. So I'll take a nap here on the soft spot and you continue working.
Oh, those slimes. They always imagine themselves bosses.
That was a good nap. What? Sue! All of our yarn was stolen! Oh, shiver me chatters!
Not stolen. I used it all to embroider this amazing pattern. Cool, isn't it? We only have a few things left to do. We'll come back with more yarn in a sec.
Oh, this is just awesome! Should we maybe... no. Definitely a blue shark with a red mouth.
Are you sure about the color scheme? I don't want to redo anything, you know.
Well, you said that it's very easy to undo the loops.
Sammy, no! Stop that! Sammy, I'm warning you!
Oh, come on, Sue. You're no fun at all.
That is not very gentlemanlike of you to let a lady work while you're having fun.
What are you talking about, Susan? I'm always ready to help a damsel in distress. Give up, you treacherous shark! Oh my God! That was unexpected. But the shark turned out just great! Am I right, guys? Give us a thumbs up!
And it has sharp teeth. Arr! See, Sammy? I can have fun too.
Here, Susie. I brought you an assistant. It looks like you're really tired.
And Spider-Man was your best choice?
Well, of course! If he spins the web, He can embroider just fine!
Well, let's try. Any help won't hurt. Go for it, Spidey. What? So fast? Oh, by the mozzarella, Sammy, he did great! Maybe with skills like that, he'll help me with this flower.
Sorry, Sue, but real superheroes have super important things to do.
Oh, and only a pink petal will remind me of my Sam. And a last little detail. And we're done! Now we need to carefully cut out our pattern along the outline.
Ooh, just don't get too close to the stitches or the whole job will go down the drain.
That's right! And we also need a small gap so that we can sew the canvas to the hoodie. By the way, absolutely any piece of clothing can be decorated this way. So, I think it looks great!
Oh, and I already forgot that we originally wanted to decorate this.
Guys, now we'll work with the most ordinary thread. That's pretty easy. Hey adults, feel free to join your kids at this step.
Okay, let's give you a few more seconds to finish, and then we'll check out what we've got. Hey, I'm going! Don't push me, Sue! So, please pay attention, everybody! Ladies and gentlemen, and superheroes! Sue can't wait to show you a unique, personalized, mind-blowing hoodie!
Phew, that was a labor-intensive craft we made today. Did you like it, guys? Then give us a thumbs up and don't forget to… Huh? Oh, what? What's the matter, Sammy?
Well, I've been thinking, Sue. Let's make patterns like that on all plain hoodies.
This is a great idea. You're already familiar with the technique, so go ahead. And I will have a rest.